This is ThinCar TPMS tool, Venu Pro TPMS intelligent detection tool. So basically what this thing does, you can put it close to your wheel and it will find out ID number for a TPMS sensor, and it works with most of ThinCar and MuCar scan tools. I will be using MuCar 892 Bluetooth. So in scan tool you have to connect to TPMS. It is very easy, I am already connected, and now I have to search for my car brand. So I will be working with Toyota. So I set it to Toyota, and already I got this screen, so I can just start scanning sensors. So you want to put your tool close to your wheel, and all you have to do is press OK, and it will read out ID number for that sensor. Check this out, this is another wheel, and just like that, the tool will find out ID number. Now let me do full set first. One more, if I want, I could also do it for the spare wheel, but on this card there isn't one. So I will just do this for now. I already did this job because my friend changed his wheels, and then you have to input these new numbers in your TPMS module. So how would you do it? You would take your scan tool, plug it inside OBD port, and this information I have found out. With scan tool I can write directly into my TPMS control module. Now I will be not doing that right now because I did it before already, but let me show you that you can also use your phone. So for example, if you don't have scan tool, or let's say you already have some scan tool which is not MuCar or ThinCar, and it can write TPMS IDs inside TPMS module, so you just have to find out these ID numbers. So you have two choices, either to remove tire and check the sensor, or you can use this TPMS tool even with your smartphone. Check this out, now I did all wheels using just my smartphone, and if I had some different tool that can write into TPMS module, I could just take these sensor IDs and write them to my TPMS module with different scanner. So very simple thing. Basically what it does is finding ID numbers from your sensors without you having to remove tires. If you want to buy it, I will leave a link in description, and you can use 10% off coupon CarHacker, and that is for everything on ThinCar and MuCar website. So even scan tool, even this TPMS tool, everything can be discounted by 10% using coupon CarHacker. By the way, if you are new to this channel, I am Yuri, I test OBD2 scanners, I have tested hundreds of them, and all the best scanners I have put on my website on the page OBD2 scanner guide. It is linked in description, and on that page you can choose best OBD2 scanners by budget, type or car brand. And if you are not sure which scanner type is for you, click the link on top, download my OBD2 scanner buyer's guide, and I will send you short PDF which explains differences between scanners, and you will know which one is right for you.